MSc, PhD, Botany, Ecology, and MCA, B.Ed, M.Ed, English, Bhutpur lecturer, and then retired as a principal. Now I'm teaching to the students of CBSE board, BSc, and MSc, etc. Hello. Today, dear students, I am teaching you respiration. It is a vital process, and respiration contains two parts: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, glucose plus food products, they are broken and oxygen is evolved. This is called aerobic respiration. And in anaerobic respiration, glucose is broken into ethyl alcohol and at highest calorie energy. Now we see the process of respiration. In respiration, we see the diagram. If you see in the diagram, then you can see there is nostril, and O2 is taken inside it and it reaches into the pharynx. Then it reaches into the lungs. Here the sternohyoid muscles work because they are attached to the sternum. And on the other side there is pectoral muscles. Pectoral muscles and sternohyoid muscles help in respiration. In the inspiration, the O2 comes to the inside and it went to the lungs. Then the heart apparatus works and sternohyoid muscles work out. They goes to the upper side and CO2 is evolved to the outside. It is called expiration. So Jari, I am giving you some objective questions of respiration. They are very important and they are asked in the examination. First is nitrogen yogikaran. In this, the nitrogen change into the amino acid. Then second question is the essentiality of minerals can be decided by sand culture and by solution culture. Then nitrate change ammonia that is changed in the presence of molybdenum MO. Mg and Fe process becomes slow because Mg is accepted in higher side, but Fe is accepted in very slow side. Then धान का खेरा of plants which elements की कमी के कारण होता है, it is magnesium. Then leguminous crops, in leguminous crops nitrogen is fixed and the product is formed ammonia. Then root hair growth, the element is essential for this manganese. Then plants elements absorption takes place by ferric. Now I am telling you, my dear, pinus seeds germinate but does not germinate due to mycorrhiza in the roots. Then molybdenum elements and elements of different plants takes place by by 14 elements and the 12. And the last question is, in leguminous crops the nodules contain and they accelerate the process of ammonia and oxygen. Heart of frog contains auricle and ventricle, right precaval, post precaval, right pulmonary vein, sinus venosus on the on the dorsal side, and ventral side is found truncus arteriosus. Arteriosus contains right precable and left precable. If we see the heart structure internal side, then we see that on the left side, on the left auricle, there is found pericard, and on the heart there is found a membrane that is called pericardium. The pericardium, by the pericardium, the heart shocks the क्या बोलते हैं चक्कर को in between them there is found auricular septum. There is left auricular septum, and left ventricle contains auricular septum, and there is found there is a short structure, and there is a aperture called auricle and ventricle. Auricle ventricle aperture helps when the blood comes from pulmonary vein to pulmonary heart, then it comes to the heart on the lower side, and it sinoauricular aperture comes, and blood reaches into the sinus venosus in the ventricle. Then heart reach into the truncus arteriosus, then carotid arch, then pulmocutaneous arch, then systemic arch, and the mixed blood reaches to the body. That is called heartbeats. One systole and one diastole form the one heartbeats. Bas?